Hey, beautiful friends, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day so far. Just wanted to stop by to give a weight loss update. I have lost officially, guys, 62.2 pounds so far. Today's weight loss, when I jumped on the scale today, was 254.8. Yay, that's so exciting, guys. My highest weight was 317. I'm now down to 254.8. And my goal is to get to 140. So I'm super excited about that. I believe I have another 114.8 pounds to go. Yes, that is so exciting, guys. What I'm doing each day, I am fasting, guys. Sometimes 72 hours, sometimes 36 hours, sometimes 48 hours. And then I exercise every single day for a minimum of 40 minutes. And I'm also drinking lots of water, trying to get plenty of rest, and trying to do all I can to eat as healthy as possible. When I do refeed, guys. So that is what I've been doing. That is what I've been up to. Super excited. I'm going to keep this going, guys. If you're losing weight, drop in the comments on what you're doing to lose weight, guys. Let's work together. Let's cheer each other on. I'm rooting for you. I'm so motivated. I'm so inspired. And I hope you are motivated and inspired too. So love you guys. You are amazing. I truly and sincerely appreciate you all so very much. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Also, like this video, guys, so it could be in other people's news feeds. That's the word on the street, that if we like the video will show up in the news feeds or the recommended videos. So thank you so much for all of your love and support. I appreciate it so much. Bye.